Welcome back to the channel, your primary destination for beauty tech reviews, digital nail art breakdowns, salon automation tools, and personal care gadget guides. Today, we are examining an all-in-one DIY cosmetic machine engineered to automate complex nail designs, the WiFi 3D Portable Digital Nail Art Printer. For nail technicians, beauty enthusiasts, and home DIY creators, hand-painting complex nail art can take hours and requires serious artistic precision. This portable 3D nail printer solves that friction by combining high-resolution inkjet printing, optical nail boundary detection, and rapid curing into a single desktop device. At the core of the printer is its intelligent optical positioning system. Once your finger is placed inside the chamber, internal sensors scan the exact dimensions, surface curvature, and edge boundaries of your nail. This ensures the digital image scales automatically and prints strictly within the nail boundaries without bleeding onto surrounding skin. Operation is handled wirelessly via a dedicated smartphone app over Wi-Fi. The software includes an expansive library with over 1,000 preloaded patterns, ranging from intricate floral motifs and geometric graphics to holiday themes. Users can also upload custom photos, vector art, or personal graphics straight from their camera roll to convert them into wearable nail art. The application workflow requires standard preparation, applying a base gel coat, followed by a specialized print gel mask that acts as an anchor for the ink. Once inside the machine, micro inkjet nozzles transfer the selected artwork with crisp, photorealistic color fidelity across the nail bed. To keep process times efficient, the machine integrates rapid printing and drying, completing a full nail application cycle in roughly 30 seconds. When sealed with a standard glossy top coat and cured under UV light, printed patterns achieve salon quality durability that lasts up to 20 days. Featuring a compact portable chassis, Wi-Fi mobile app control, 1,000+ digital design templates, smart optical nail edge identification, and 30-second rapid printing and drying, this 3D nail printer delivers instant professional nail art customization. If you enjoyed this 3D nail art printer review and demonstration, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. What custom photo or pattern would you print on your nails first?